What's up, guys? Welcome to Poor Man Mods. In the last video, we showed you getting this 1UZ into the IS300 and doing everything that it's going to take to make it run, not drive. But in this video, I'm going to show you what happened during the first startup. Starting it was pretty simple, just had to crank it a couple times, and it's good that we had to do that because that primed the engine with oil, cranking it for a little bit so it didn't just fire right up and run dry. And when it started the first time, there was a hellacious noise coming from the rear bottom of the bell housing area. I'm not sure what it was.
Woo, we got purples.
The noise seemed to get better when I pushed the clutch in. It was still there, but it improved. Then when I would let off the clutch, it got much worse. So turned the car off, started a couple times, and the car is actually starting very well. There's just a base map on here. I don't think the throttle position sensor is calibrated. It's not reading O2s. There's no coolant in it. And for that, it's actually running surprisingly well, except for that noise. And we started a few times just troubleshooting it, and then in good old Poor Man Mods fashion, I revved the piss out of it, and the noise stopped. I don't know if it was just a small clearance thing, like with the flywheel and the starter or something going on, but after revving it up and getting some RPM in it, it fixed it. I was about to contact XAET Racing, because the whole bell housing conversion, I was about to contact them about the noise, but after revving the piss out of it, it fixed it. So I don't need to reach out to them. So if you go to 1UZ swap your IS300, with a manual transmission and it makes a hellacious noise upon startup, just rev the piss out of it. Maybe you'll fix it. But in all seriousness, I am very excited. The startup went way smoother than I was expecting. The car sounds like a freaking beast when you rev it. It's open headers right now. And it's actually surprisingly quiet when you let it idle. Like, it almost seemed like it was off. It's sounding and running great for what it is right now. No drive accessories, so the alternator wasn't charging, water pump wasn't doing anything, no coolant temperature. But yeah, this video was all about the first startup. In the next video, I plan on buttoning this thing up and getting it closer to being drivable. The fire list is complete, and now I have the drive list, which that's gonna be a big can of worms. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited for it. This thing sounds like an absolute beast. I cannot wait to drive it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next part of this 1UZ swap series. Bye.